What's going on, guys? Logan here for another supplement video. Now today I'm going to be talking about testosterone boosters and why testosterone boosters aren't real testosterone. Now I have a lot of people come to my store with the big misconception that testosterone boosters are real testosterone. No, all they're going to be is herbs and amino acids that naturally produce your own testosterone levels up to 20 to 30%, not nearly as much as like a steroid. Steroid users, they've reported that they get testosterone increases up to like 600%. But just know that with steroid use there is a ton of different side effects, from acne to gynecomastia to all kind of different things, low testosterone levels later in life. So for me, I would stay away from steroids altogether just because of the side effects really outweigh the benefits, the short-term benefits. But with testosterone boosters, like I said, it's a natural way to boost your testosterone. Now as far as the ingredients in there that actually work the magic, there's a few. Most testosterone boosters are going to have Tribulus terrestris. It's just an herb derived from a plant. It's going to be a slower acting testosterone booster. Typically guys feel that full effects in about 2 weeks. They start feeling it in about a week. But Tribulus is a very safe testosterone booster. You don't really have to cycle off of it, and really with natural testosterone boosters you don't absolutely have to cycle off of it, but taking those little breaks, about a month break, allows your body to, like when you start taking it again, to start feeling that feeling of just the first time you took it. Another commonly used testosterone booster is D-aspartic acid. All that is an amino acid that is a faster acting testosterone booster. They have a few different forms, such as just normal D-aspartic acid and sodium D-aspartic acid. Sodium D-aspartic acid is the more researched form, and it's shown to actually absorb in your body much better than just normal D-aspartic acid. Now with D-aspartic acid, it is going to be a faster acting testosterone booster. You start feeling it in about 2 days, and you can take it for about 2 weeks, but after you take it for 2 weeks, you need to get off of it for about 2-3 days, and then you can take it for another 2 weeks, and then lay off of it for another month. And the only reason that is because that's really the only effective range of D-aspartic acid, because if you take it any longer than 2 weeks, you're not really boosting your testosterone, and the results really aren't there, so you're really just wasting your money at that point. Another commonly found testosterone booster is fenugreek. Now fenugreek is derived from fenugreek seed, and in men it helps our bodies utilize the testosterone we've already produced a little bit better, and in women it actually makes y'all produce more breast milk. So it's kind of weird how in men it helps with our testosterone levels and in women helps y'all produce more breast milk. Now just know that if you do take fenugreek, you do start smelling a little bit like maple syrup. It's just a side effect from taking fenugreek, but I would say that fenugreek is one of the best testosterone boosters that I've taken. Actually, the best testosterone booster I've taken is methylandro. It's a good mix between those. It's going to have 1,000 milligrams of D-aspartic acid, about 700 milligrams of Tribulus, and then 800 milligrams of fenugreek. It's really the only one that I've truly felt that, or the one I've truly felt like actually helped me in the gym. Now I know that what a lot of y'all are going to say, you know, why me being 23 would I take a testosterone booster? The only reason I'm taking it is for just a little bit better recovery. And for those people saying that testosterone boosters are a waste of money, you're right. Most of testosterone boosters are a waste of money because they might have good ingredients in there, but they don't have nearly as much as you need. Like Nugenix, for example, they have a good product. They have multiple different kinds of Nugenixes. Like the original one they came out with a few years ago is just fenugreek seed, L-citrulline, which is a nitric oxide booster, and the Tribulus. So you do feel a little bit, but it doesn't have nearly as much as you need. The newer one they just came out with has D-aspartic acid. It actually has 3 whole grams of it, and personally I've taken that one and I did feel it just a little bit, but not anything crazy to write home about. Now one thing to be wary of is while your body's going to be producing more testosterone, your estrogen, your natural estrogen levels are going to increase too. So you might want to take some kind of estrogen blocker, whether it be like white button mushroom, chrysin, DIM. Those are very commonly found, and actually the methylandro, it has all 3 of those in there. There are several products that we sell at GNC and online, all those ones I just listed separately, so you can find them for like 20 bucks online. Now back to what I was saying earlier, as far as steroids, yes, that would be the absolute best way to increase your testosterone levels, but like I said, it's not worth it for all the side effects that come along with it. And typically I've known guys that take testosterone, or not testosterone, that taken steroids, and just a year after going off their cycle, they look small. They look normal, back to the way, even if not smaller than what they were before. So you take these things, they're going to elevate your recovery time, elevate your sex drive. They're going to give you a little bit more energy all throughout the day, and just honestly, I like them. I take it mainly for the muscle gain side, like me at the gym, and giving me that intensity that, you know, usually I don't have when I'm not on a testosterone booster. So they aren't really bad. There are natural ingredients in there, so if you want to take it, take it. Just be informed of the ingredients, make sure you aren't getting ripped off, because we sell this one testosterone booster, it's $160, not going to name it, not sure if I'm allowed to, but It has all those ingredients that I listed, but there's so little amounts that every guy that takes it, they want to return it because they don't feel anything from it, and I really can't blame them. So I just show them the methylandro or maybe the DAA Test 5. Those are a little bit stronger, and guys typically feel it, and they just get better results all around. And when guys come in and they tell me how good a testosterone booster worked, I feel good on the inside because I sold something that works, and I like selling those things because I'm not going to sell something that, hey, I'll sell it to you one time, you absolutely hate it, you're not going to come back and get it. I'm going to sell you something that you feel that will actually help you so that it gets you back in my store and buy it again. But that's just my opinion on testosterone boosters, so do your own research, and hey, research all those ingredients that I listed just so you're an informed buyer and you don't have to take somebody's word on the internet. So guys, that will be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day. What's going on, guys? Logan here for a quick little video. Now, it's come to my attention that this Beto guy, a lot of people think that he'll be able to beat Ted Cruz. Well, if the real Patriots of Texas show up, everyone knows that he wouldn't even stand a chance. So guys, remember, Election Day is going to be November 6th. Get out there and vote red. And while you're at it, do a burnout for Ted.